In a world that just doesn't stop, we're all looking for that edge, right? That secret weapon for peak performance. Well, what if I told you it wasn't some new app or a pricey supplement, but something you've known how to do since you were a toddler? Yep, we're talking about the power nap. And today, we're going to flip the script and see it not as a luxury, but as a serious, strategic tool to completely recharge your brain. You know that feeling, right? It's like a switch flips. You've had lunch, you're trying to muscle through the afternoon, but poof. Your focus is just gone, your eyelids feel like they weigh 100 pounds, and every email you try to read just blurs into nonsense. Ah, yes, the classic afternoon crash. We've all been there. Hitting that 2 p.m. wall feels like an inevitable part of the day, but what if it wasn't? There's a surprisingly simple, scientifically backed solution to smash right through it. So maybe put down that third cup of coffee, because we're about to talk about your real secret weapon. Okay, first things first, we have to completely change how we think about napping. This has nothing to do with being lazy or slacking off. In fact, it's the total opposite. Taking a short, deliberate nap is one of the smartest, most productive things you can do for your focus, your energy, and your performance. So, what's actually going on in your brain that makes just a few minutes of rest so incredibly powerful? It's not magic, and it's not just about closing your eyes. There's some really cool science at play here that explains exactly why this works so ridiculously well. Let's get specific. A true power nap is short for a reason. The whole goal is to dip your toes into the early, light stages of what's called non-REM sleep. That's just enough to get that mental reset we're all after, but not so long that you plunge into the deep sleep that leaves you feeling groggy and, frankly, worse than before. And the benefits you get in that short time are just wild. Your brain is literally hitting the reset button. It's organizing your memories, which helps you learn. It's boosting your creativity and clearing out all that mental fog. And the key is that it does all this while cleverly avoiding those deep sleep stages. Think of it like a precision strike for your brain. As it turns out, not all naps are created equal. Not even close. The length of your nap completely changes the outcome. Sure, a full 90 minutes gives you a complete sleep cycle, which is awesome for your emotional state. But look at that 30-minute mark. That's where you start risking that dreaded grogginess. For a quick, effective reboot without any weird side effects, there's a very clear winner. And here it is. This is the magic window for a true power nap. 10 to 20 minutes. That's it. It's just long enough to get a major boost in energy and alertness, but short enough that you wake up feeling sharp, clear, and ready to go. And if you need a hard number to convince you, get this. Studies have shown that a brief nap can boost your alertness by up to 54%. I mean, that is a huge return for a tiny 20-minute investment of your time. Just think about what a more than 50% jump in focus could do for your afternoon. Okay, so we've nailed down the perfect length. But when you take that nap is just as crucial. This isn't just about napping whenever you feel tired. It's about syncing up with your body's natural clock to get the biggest bang for your buck. See, every single one of us has a circadian rhythm. It's basically an internal 24-hour clock that runs the show. And for most people, that clock comes pre-programmed with a natural dip in alertness in the early afternoon. So instead of fighting it with more caffeine, you can lean into it. That dip is your body literally telling you, hey, now is the perfect time to recharge. And that brings us to the sweet spot. The ideal window for a power nap is between 1 and 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Napping during this time means you're working with your body's natural rhythm, not against it. And it's early enough in the day that it won't mess with your ability to fall asleep at night. So let's boil it all down to 3 simple rules for timing. 1. Nap early in that 1 to 3 p.m. window. 2. Keep it short. 10 to 20 minutes is the goal. And 3, if you can, be consistent. Napping around the same time each day actually helps regulate your body's clock, making it even easier to doze off quickly and wake up feeling amazing. All right, you've got the what and the when. Now, let's talk about the where. Your environment plays a massive role in how quickly you can power down and how restorative your nap is actually going to be. It's time to create your own little nap oasis. To really get the most out of your nap, you want to focus on 3 key things. First, light. Make the room as dim as you can or just throw on an eye mask. Second, noise. Find a quiet spot or maybe use a white noise app to block out distractions. And finally, temperature. A cool room, somewhere between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, is pretty much perfect for sleeping. And here are a few extra tips for your oasis. Make sure you're on a comfortable surface. A couch or a comfy chair works great. A clutter-free space actually helps calm a busy mind. And little things like some gentle airflow or even a soothing scent like lavender can send a powerful signal to your brain that it's officially time to rest. Now, this might be the most overlooked part of the entire process. A perfect nap can be totally ruined by a bad wake-up. How you transition from rest back to work is absolutely crucial for shaking off any grogginess and actually reaping all those amazing benefits.
And the difference here is just night and day. A 10 to 20-minute nap keeps you in that nice, light stage of sleep, so you wake up feeling recharged. But if you push it past 30 minutes, you risk falling into deep sleep. And if your alarm rips you out of that, you get something called sleep inertia, that awful, groggy, confused feeling that completely defeats the whole purpose of the nap.
So, to make sure you wake up sharp, have a simple routine ready to go. Splashing your face with cool water is a classic for a reason. It works. Getting some fresh air, doing a few light stretches, or even taking a quick walk around the block can instantly shake off any leftover sleepiness and tell your body, okay, we're alert again. And here are 2 last pro tips to really set you up for success. First, like we said, consistency is your best friend. And second, try to avoid caffeine for at least an hour before you plan to nap. You want your body to be able to relax, not be fighting off a stimulant. Ultimately, this is the big mental shift. When you stop seeing napping as a weakness and start seeing it as a strategic tool, it changes the entire game. You're not wasting time, you are investing it, turning a simple moment of rest into a genuine burst of brilliance. So I'll leave you with this question. If you had a mental reset button you could press every single afternoon, what could you unlock? More focus, better ideas, a more productive and way less stressful day? The Power Nap Playbook puts that button right in your hands.